Hey friends, how are you today? Well, this is kind of a strange looking thing, isn't it? But I wanted to share it with you. It's my new wind chime. And it's so beautiful, I just had to share it with you. Listen, I'll make it chime. It's so pretty, it makes me want to play it like it's an instrument. I guess it is an instrument of sorts. Would you like to see inside of it? What do we see in there? What does it look like inside? So there's a string. I guess you can't see in there very well. There's a string and a little glass piece. That little piece down the bottom there that you see going around is made of glass. Anyway, I wanted to share that with you. Well, today's fun activity is story problems. Look, I got my table all set up with some story problems here. We are going to do some story problems. We're going to see if we can figure some things out here. So, to start with, here's our first story problem. So story problems are kind of ways to, story problems come up in our lives every day. We have things that we have to figure out. And I'll give you some examples. So, let's start with this one. So, here we are at the table, and we have how many mandarins? We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That one's kind of greenish. Let's turn it over. We have 5 mandarins, and we have 2 kids. And we want to divide these up equally. So let's see. Let's give 1 to this kid and 1 to this kid. So they each have 1 now. How about if we give them another one? 1 to this kid and 1 to this kid. So now each kid has how many? 1, 2, 1, 2. Each kid has 2. So how many did we take away altogether? We took away 1, 2, 3, 4. So we had 5 altogether. And we took away 4 of them. And how many do we have left? We have 1 left. 1 left for the mom. If we do it like this and leave this one off, then each kid gets the same amount, right? They each get 2. And that's fair, isn't it? That would be a good way to do it. They each get 2, and maybe, you know what? They could. What's another thing they could do? If they each got 2, what could they do with this one? To make it fair so that everybody had the same amount. Could they cut that one in half? And then one would get 1 half, and the other would get the other half. That would work too, wouldn't it? So they had 5 altogether, and they took away 4. And they were left with 1. All right. Let's move on to the next one. Well, I was in a store and I saw this beautiful leaf. I thought it was so pretty. And I wanted to buy it. And they said, well, that will cost 5 quarters. Let's see. Do I have 5 quarters? Let's see. I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I have 7 quarters altogether. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 quarters altogether. And I need 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 quarters. Wow. How many quarters do I have left? I have 2 quarters left. I could buy something else that would cost 2 quarters, couldn't I? So 5 quarters. So I had 7 altogether, and I took away 5 of them, and that left 2 more quarters. Cool. All right, let's look at this one. These are dog treats, and this is my dog's toy. Let's see how many treats we have all together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Let's count them again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I have 8 dog treats. And my dog has been doing tricks today. My dog did 2 tricks. So I'm going to take away 2 tricks. Now how many do I have left? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 8 minus 2 is 6. Oh my goodness. Well, then we kept going because he was doing so well, and so he did 3 more tricks. So we have 6 treats left, and he did 3 more tricks. 1, 2, 3. There's 3. So he did 3 more tricks, and how many treats do I have left? 1, 2, 3. So I had 6 altogether, and he did 3 more tricks, and I still have 3 more treats, don't I? So 6 minus 3 equals 3. Well, I'm going to go on a walk, so I think maybe I should get a few more treats. I'm going to grab a few more. I'm going to grab this many treats. How many do I have? 1, 2, 3, 4. Because he might do some tricks on the way, so I'm going to add 4 more. So I have 3. If I add 4 more, 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's see how many we have all together now before we go on a walk with the dog. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So I had 3, and I added 4 more. So 3 plus 4 equals 7. 7 treats. Cool. All right, let's go to the next story problem. What are we doing over here? Oh my goodness, I'm having a tea party. Have you ever had a tea party? I love tea parties. They're lots of fun. So I invited 6 people to have tea. Let's count the teacups. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I invited 6 of my friends to have tea, but sadly, 3 of them could not come. So I had to take away 3 cups. 1, 2, 3. So I took away those 3 cups. How many are left? Let's see. These 3 people came for tea, so let's give them tea. Let's see how many. 1, 2, 3. I had 6, but 3 people could not come, so I ended up with 3 people to have tea. Yeah, 3. So now I've got 3, and all of a sudden, a knock came on my door, and there was another friend, and she said, "Oh, you're having tea? I'll have some." So I had to add another cup. So I had 3 cups, and I added 1 more for my friend. So now I have 1, 2, 3, 4. So I had 3 plus 1 equals 4. I had 4. That's a tea party. 4. All right, let's see what else we have. Oh, here we have eggs. So here's a word problem here. So I am going to do some baking. And I'm looking at my recipe, and it says you need 6 eggs. All right, let's count out 6. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. You know what I forgot to do? I forgot to count them all first. Let's count them all first. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. I had 9 eggs altogether. And my recipe called for 6. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So I used the 6. So 9 minus 6 equals how many are left? 1, 2, 3. I still have 3 eggs that I could do something with. Maybe I could find a recipe that could use up 3 eggs. So I actually have chickens, and my chickens lay eggs every day. So here I have 3 eggs. We'll pretend like we used these. We used those up. But my chickens laid some eggs. And so I got to add, how many do we have here? 1, 2, 3. My chickens laid eggs, and I'm going to add 1, 2, 3 eggs. So I had 3, and I added 3 more. How many do I have altogether now? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 3 plus 3 equals 6. That was a good story problem. How many eggs we have? All right, well, here's going to be a fun one. What are these? Easter eggs. Wow, some Easter eggs. Let's count and see how many of these jelly beans we have all together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. We have 10 Easter eggs all together. All right, well, I'm going to try to fill these up here. Let's see. I'm going to do this. I'm going to put them all in one. Put that many in one. See if I can put this many in another one. So we have 10 all together, right? There we go. Okay, I've got them divided up. Now let's see, if you were to get this egg, how many you would have in there? You would have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Wow, that was a good one. So what if you got this egg? How many would you have? 1, 2, 3, 4. Ooh. Was there one egg that had more? Did you say the purple one? If you did, you were right. The purple egg had more eggs in it, didn't it? If you were the person that had the orange egg, you might feel like, oh, hey, I didn't get as many. Oh, maybe a little sad. So 6 is more than 4. I wonder if there's a way that we could make it so it was even, so that each person got the same amount. What if we took one of these? So this one had 6. Let's take 1 away. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 6 minus 1 equals 5. What if we put one of these over here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Look! Now they're equal, aren't they? There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 on this side, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 on this side. Each person would get 5 eggs. That would be fair, wouldn't it? I would like that. All right. All right, here's my last one. This is going to be my favorite one. All right, have a look here. What do I have? I have M&Ms. How many do I have? Can you count them? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. I have 9 M&Ms. I have 9 M&Ms, and all of a sudden, I had to eat a few. How many are left? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I ate 3 M&Ms, and now I have 6. Oh, bowl. Kind of hard to do with one hand. So I had 9, and I ate 3, and now I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And I think I'm going to eat the green ones. Is that 2? 1, 2. So I had 6. And I ate 2. How many are left? 1, 2, 3, 4. So 6 minus 2 equals 4.